Hello, I wanted to help you as you've now formulated your thesis statement and start looking for research. And we can do that with Google Keep. So the first thing that I did was I went ahead and I put in Google Keep my thesis statement. And so here it is. Exercise contributes to our mental and social well-being by managing stress, alleviating anxiety, and preventing depression. And remember, you can make a color of it. Right now I'm using the color green for those kinds of things. But for each resource, you can also use a different color. And that way it helps you manage it. And you can also put your labels on there. So once you do that, for example, you may find an article, and in this case, can exercise cure depression is what I'm looking at. And so as you read through the article, if you find something that you want to make note of, that you may even cite later, you can copy that into a Google Keep note just by highlighting it, and then also making sure that you hit your little Google Keep icon up here at the top. And as you know, that takes that and turns it into a note. The other nice thing is it grabs the URL, the web address, so that you will have that later for your notes. Now, if you're doing a video, it can work that way as well. Again, all you got to do is put Google Keep and it'll pop up a note, and you can actually take a note as you watch it. So if you're watching a video,
will immediately increase levels of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and noradrenaline. That is going to increase your mood right after that workout, exactly what I was feeling. My lab showed that a single workout can improve your ability to shift and focus attention.
Okay, so I'm going to especially grab that part about dopamine. And so a single workout can increase the amount of dopamine, which is important for the work that I'm doing. So that automatically saves that again into Google Keep, and you can see that that's saved for me. And then I can also look up dopamine, and then when I find out what it is and how it works, again, I can highlight that and put that into Google Keep. Now, the nice thing is that's all in Google Keep, and it'll update and start to come up in here. But what really is nice is later when you actually start to do your document, you can just hit Drive and or Docs. We're going to create a document. So when you're actually going to write your draft tomorrow, what you'll notice that you will be able to do is you will open up a document. And once you have this document up and you start, one thing you can do is copy and paste your thesis statement in there into the top and start working your introduction. But I want to show you what also is really nice about this. If you look over here on the side, you're going to notice that there's a Google Keep button. If it's not there, you can also find it in the tools, and you can open it up that way as well. I'll give it a minute here to load. I'm going to go ahead and hit Google Keep, and boom, your Google Keep notes are all going to come in here on the side, and you can use those. Now keep in mind, you're not just copying and pasting things you have not written. And you can also do a search for your notes if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and take and scroll through here and get that thesis statement. Now, I did write that, so I can copy and paste that in there to start with. If you copied it from a website, you will have to put it in your own words, but we also have it queued up to cite. So make sure you use Google Keep as part of your research, and it'll help make this easy as you write your paper and outline. I would even put your outline into Google Keep, and then you have it there on the side. If you have questions, you can ask me. Thank you.